Hello everyone, welcome to this special broadcast by Audi India. It feels fantastic to be virtually connected with all of you. Today we add another highlight to the long list of exciting products that we've already launched recently. Audi A6, Audi Q8, Audi A8 long wheelbase, the RS7 and the RS Q8. And the good news is that there are more products to follow. We are here today to witness the launch of a car which is authentic, urban and full of character. Ladies and gentlemen, as we get closer to see the launch of much awaited Audi Q2, let me take you on a quick journey into the world of Audi India. At Audi, we want to be the most progressive luxury brand with the best customer experience. 2020 has been an extremely important year, and no, the pandemic didn't put brakes on our long-term plans. While it did cause hiccups in our short-term plans, we have charted out a 5-year plan, Strategy 2025, that focuses on 4 key pillars: customer centricity, products, digitalization, and network. Even in these troubled times, we have made progress towards our larger goal of sustainable growth. Customers are at the heart of everything we do at Audi. We want our customers to have the best experience possible. We are building an engagement that goes beyond just mere transactional exchange. Making all the things possible are our strong dealer partners who are the face of the brand Audi in India. Today we stand tall with touch points spread across cities, which consists of showrooms, workshops and Audi Approved Plus facilities. We are committed to our workshop first approach to serve our customers first before selling more. Our pre-owned cars business, Audi Approved Plus, that witnessed strong growth last year, and it continues to be a strong pillar for the brand. On the digitalization front, it has been an electrifying journey. We were the first luxury brand in the country to offer digital retail elements like AR, VR to make the buying experience even more exciting and phygital. We were quick to understand the changing buying behavior. People expect information immediately and at their fingertips. It was the shift in this behavior that was genesis of our push towards digitalization. To give you an overview, we have had over 50,000 interactions on AR and VR. Over 150 service appointments were booked via our app, My Audi Connect. Audi shop saw over 2.5 lakh visitors and there were over 200 transactions carried out. We didn't stop at that. We ensured we engaged with our customers via Audi Concierge. We carried out masterclasses that were relevant to the pandemic. I strongly believe digitalization is a journey and not a destination, and our focus is to continue making our digital journey more encompassing. We have had an action-packed last 10 months as we launched new cars. As we move towards festive season and end of the year, you will see more launches from the brand as we entrench ourselves into India growth story. Now it's time for the moment we have been waiting for, the launch of Q2. But before we get into the reasons that you're going to love this car, it gives me great pleasure to introduce to you, friend of Audi, the captain of Indian cricket team, Virat Kohli. Hello Virat, and welcome to the launch of Audi Q2.
Thank you, Balbir. It's great to join everyone digitally. I've been associated with Audi India for a long time, as you all know, and I've seen it from close quarters that Audi always have something to offer across the range for all the car lovers. I've been very excited and waiting for the launch of this all-rounder model from the Audi Q range family.
An all-rounder, that's a perfect positioning for Audi Q2. You've nailed it, Virat. The Audi Q2 combines things everybody desires: design, experience, connectivity, and infotainment. The Audi Q2 packages all these elements seamlessly.
I can totally relate to the experience you're talking about, Balbir. As you all know, I have driven a wide range of Audi cars over so many years across different terrains all over the world. And I think the Q2 is one such model which is going to break norms and exceed all the expectations. And also what I'm most excited about is it's going to open a new dimension to a totally different set of fans from the Audi perspective. And it's so exciting to see because I've driven an Audi for so long, and I can tell you nothing drives quite like an Audi, and you guys are going to love being in the driver's seat.
You are right. With Audi Q2, we will not only expand our product portfolio, but more customers and prospects and brand fans can get access to the world of Audi now. Let me take you and our live audience through the details of product features and highlights. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting you the Q2. The Audi Q range is no stranger to all of you. We have been extremely successful with products like Q3, Q5, Q7, Q8, and now even the power-packed RS Q8. Continuing our SUV focus in the country, 46% of the cars sold by Audi India are currently SUVs. Taking this step forward, we are now extremely happy to introduce the Audi Q2 that will enthuse progressive, tech-savvy customers to the Audi family. The Audi Q2 is an extremely important product for 2020 that will cater to the increasingly progressive and young customers. It opens up new avenues and brings in buyers who want to join the Audi family early on. It will rejuvenate the brand through its progressive design. The car offers best performance and driving dynamics. It comes with 5 trim options. In terms of design, the Audi Q2 boasts 2 exterior lines. One is an advanced line and the other one is Design Line. When it comes to performance, the Q2 packs in a punch. The Q2 is powered with a 2-liter TFSI petrol engine that makes 190 horsepower and 320 Nm of torque. It goes from 0 to 100 in 6.5 seconds, making it a perfect city commuter and an effective off-roader all in one. Of course, it has all-time favorite Quattro, Audi Drive Select and a 7-speed S-tronic transmission and a progressive steering. And in terms of interiors, comfort and convenience, decorative inlays with ambient light and a flat bottom steering wheel, Audi phone box with wireless charging and a rear view camera are some of the important features that will add on to customers' comfort and convenience. The Audi Q2 smartly integrates infotainment and connectivity. The MMI Navigation Plus, the virtual cockpit and the Audi smartphone interface helps you stay connected with your car and the world all around, all point in time. We are launching the Audi Q2 with some great features and offers that will ensure we are adding cheer as we enter the festive season in India. The Audi Q2 is powerful, versatile, all-rounder that shows off the pedigree of Audi Q family in all its glory. And now, it's the time that we have been waiting for. The Audi Q2 price range will start from 34.99 lakhs in India. We will offer the car in 5 trims to ensure that there is a Q2 suited for every possible need. As a special offer, if you book your Q2 now with any of our dealerships, we will be offering you a peace of mind package.
Thank you, Balbir, for such an amazing insight into this car. I think the Q2 is just the perfect piece of engineering. And to all the people who've been looking for a new ride, I want to tell you one thing, your search ends here. This is exactly what you want to get. I want to thank you, Balbir, especially for inviting me to be a part of this launch and to wish everyone at Audi and all the people all across the world all the very best. Stay safe, stay healthy and stay strong.
Thank you, Virat, for joining us. It has made the launch even more exciting. We wish you all the best for the upcoming cricket season and we will all be supporting you and the team. At Audi, we believe that future is an attitude.
We all look at the same world, but we all look at it in a different way. Some see a concept. We see potential. Some just see sheer speed. We see inspirational engineering. Some just see beautiful lines. We see character. Some see a new light. We see a new vision. Some see an interior. We see personal space. Some see a factory. We see progress. Some just see the power. We see the experiences. Some see what's there. We see beyond. Audi.
For us, it's all about looking beyond the obvious and seeing potential, possibilities and progress. So while we have just launched the Q2, we are already looking ahead to the next launch we have lined up for you this year itself. We will be seeing you at the next launch, which will be very soon. Bye bye and take care.